Hello, I'm Dr. Kyle Murray here at Atlas Brain Spine, and today I'm going to be answering a question that I get pretty often, and that is, if this works so well, why do I have to keep coming back? Well, that's a great question, but let's answer it with a couple of questions themselves. So, do you brush your teeth every single day? Do you eat healthy, like you're eating your fruits and your grass-finished beefs and meats and salmon? Are you getting what you need to do on a daily basis, like exercise, to keep and maintain your overall health of your body? And is this a commitment that you want to maintain for the rest of your life? Is to focus on your health rather than just deteriorating and trying to get that one-time quick fix? And let me tell you, those one-time quick fixes rarely ever work. And so we want to achieve then with you a long-term lasting solution. Just like if you were to go to the dentist and get checked twice a year, what they're looking for is to see how your teeth are doing, whether you have those cavities that are going on, whether you're brushing your teeth on a daily basis so you're maintaining that hygiene. And then they're going to do it, whatever they need to do to get you back into that correct position, overall health within the body and within the mouth specifically. And that's what we're trying to achieve here as well, is that we want to get this long-term solution of maintaining your upper cervical atlas position so that your brain and your body is properly communicating with the rest of your life. So this isn't a commitment to us long-term, this is a commitment to your own overall health in your rest of your life. And so we want you to be committed to your longevity, to your health itself. And that comes with then getting checked a couple of times a year to make sure that you're maintaining your proper position. So again, your brain and your body are communicating at their most optimal. Again, I'm Kyle Murray here at Atlas Brain Spine. Please visit our website, atlasbrainspine.com. If you have any other questions, please reach out. Thank you so much and have a great rest of your day. God bless.